Hi everybody, in this video we are going to look at the initial steps to create a new video under your account. To do so, click the button Create New Video that's at the beginning of any videos you may have already on your account. After you click it, you'll be brought to a page that looks like this. You can upload your own script or upload a PowerPoint file. For purposes of this activity, we're going to be writing our own script.
Welcome to MySimpleShow.
MySimpleShow has built-in tutorials at each step of the way. You can navigate those at each step or choose to watch the tutorials that we are creating here, or watch both of them if that will also help you. For this, I'm just clicking That's It to get us into the activity of writing our own MySimpleShow. Let's start. Here you can find a storyline. You may choose to look at any of these under the professional, educational, or personal sections. Or if you choose to, if none of these look like what you want to use, you can go to Create Blank Template down here, which is what we're going to do. If you hit the informational button on each of these, it'll kind of tell you what they might be used for. And again, if you were choosing to use one of these pre-built storyline templates, just click it and start there. Again, we are starting with the blank template.
Welcome to MySimpleShow.
MySimpleShow again gives you a tutorial of what to do in the next step. We're going to jump ahead. It is now going to allow you to write on our blank template.
Welcome to the right stage.
Here you will be brought to a page that looks like this. On it, you are going to begin your typing. Don't worry too much about formatting the storyboards at this point, as you can do that at a later time. This page gives you prompts as to what you should put in each box. For the title screen, it says start your video with a title. Click this to start writing. It also gives you some examples, and it does this at each step of the way. Tell your story here. Here's an example of a story. How should you end your video? Here's an example of an ending. Again, in this step, we are worrying about writing the script. In this you will spend a lot of time on because you want this to be what you would like it to be to add pictures and audio to in the future steps. Before we start typing, some of the other things you might choose to go to on the page. You can see your storyboard layout here. Under reading mode, you can click to see your script in action. And then undo and redo are located over here. And if you need the tutorial
Welcome
again,
to the right.
simply click the question mark and go back to the tutorial without losing any of your work. Let's just start typing, just to give you an idea of how this looks. You'll notice as I'm typing, the blue bar on the bottom is filling in. It shows how many characters I can put in each one. Telling your story. This could be quite lengthy, up to 1,200 characters. I'm only going to put a sample in here for purposes of time. Remember, I said no matter what you type in here, you have the option to split it up into more frames in the future parts of MySimpleShow. Again, as I type, it shows you how many characters I have left. You may choose at the beginning also to put your name. Remember up here where I showed the book icon? Click that and it'll bring you to your reading mode, which shows you your whole script, because the script again is the foundation of this and one of the most important parts of it. You really want to make sure each step is accurate before you move on. If you have to move back and forth during it, you will subsequently have to change a step and then change any steps that come after that as well. So it's a good idea to make sure before you move on to a next step it's exactly how you want it. Once you think your script is set, simply click the Choose Visual section button at the bottom to move on to the next step.